Hey, it's Tammy Lynn Hancock. I'm the little engine that could, and you can be the little engine that could too, if you just don't give up. So, I'm going to take you on a drive with me, and for those of you who love me so much and worry about me, I have the camera placed in my car so that it's right in front of this lovely face, so that I can keep my eyes on the road and talk to you darlings at the same time. It's Friday. I'm still working my 9-to-5 job, which is not a 9-to-5 job because I'm going to be working for the next hour and a half. But I wanted to talk to you in between going from point A to point B, which is seeing another patient. As many of you know, I'm a hospice nurse, and I'm building my businesses online too. So I wanted to share with you some stuff that I've learned for some awesome training I'm doing. I work with a bunch of different people. Some of the stuff I get from my Michael and Miranda Masters Van Gogh. They're my mentors. Diane Hockman is another one. I just glean and learn and go places and enrich myself and keep learning as much as I can to build my business. Because in order for me to grow and be the person that I want to be and get my business to where I want it to be, I have to keep putting everything out. Yes, Riza, I am driving the car, but I got the camera in front of my lovely face so that I can talk to you and I can drive at the same time. So if I'm not looking at you all the time, that's okay. You can just look at me looking at other things. So one of the things I wanted to talk to you about is that, are you using social media backwards? Good concept, interesting concept. Think about it. Okay, why would some people be using social media backwards? Well, because they're not taking advantage of the way social media was meant to be used. And the 3 platforms that I'm going to talk about today are Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. For me, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube are going to be my spots. Do I have a Twitter account? Yes. Do I have a LinkedIn account? Yes. Am I actively posting a lot on anything else but Facebook? No. Will I? Yes. And when I do, it will be Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. 3. So let's talk a little bit about how Facebook works. Facebook is a platform that wants social interaction, and you're going to use it backwards. And I've said this before, if you're doing anything else but socially engaging on there. If you want to learn more about attraction marketing and how to use your Facebook page and access the 2 billion people that are out there, just hit a number 1 below in the comments, and you and I can talk about it later. Hey, Shona. So with Facebook, I'm going to stick my notes up here so I can look at it a little bit. Facebook is a place that you have to show up every day. You have to put 1 to 3 posts on there, and one of them should be a live video. Facebook requires you to be active and interactive. Facebook wants you to engage with other people and make friends, and when you obey the Facebook rules, Facebook rewards you and boosts your posts so that more people can see what you're doing. So if your network marketing company and your upline is telling you to put flash sale and sell your business on your Facebook page, you think you're hitting people. You're not. You are hurting your own self, and you could put yourself in Facebook prison, and you could have your account shut down. That's Facebook decision, and you're not reaching near the people you can. So I'm telling you, Facebook and attraction marketing, that's the way to do it. So Facebook isn't magic. Facebook is not going to give you leads overnight. It's just not going to happen. Facebook is not to earn you money overnight. Facebook is a wonderful medium to use attraction marketing, and you can use it for network marketing and other businesses, land businesses as well. But you got to use it right, okay? So those are some things. Facebook is a tool that you want to grab people's attention on. You don't want to put flash sales, like I said. You don't want to put pictures with quotes on it, stuff like that. I mean, just think about you. People just scroll. Hi, Karen. People just scroll right through those. All right. You want to have engaging posts that are valuable, and I've talked about that before, so I'm not going to spend a lot of time on that one. You don't use Facebook the same way you use Instagram, and you don't use Instagram the same way you use YouTube. Although some of these accounts are interchangeable with their posts, they're not meant to be the same way. So don't go thinking Instagram and do it the same way you do Facebook, and don't do YouTube the same way you do Facebook. Use them as they are in the medium that they are, so that you can do it. When you have a massive, thriving Facebook community, then spend your time in Instagram and YouTube. Now, I'm going to take that to heart because I trust the person who told me that. Then the next one you should go out is build your Instagram. At that point, you know, you're going to be wanting to look about advertising and getting putting out some money for that. And you have to have that money in the budget, but you're not going to have those monies in the budget if you're not making money. And you're not going to make money until you're properly using attraction marketing and building a large following on Facebook. Do you see how this goes? Yeah, Riza, I will get back to you. Make sure you send me a friend request, okay? Thank you. So Instagram. Instagram is the picture brand awareness. It's very different. It's not about people getting to know you. They don't want to know that you had the best hot dog at Long Doggers. That's a great hot dog shop around me. They don't want to know about your child's 8th birthday party. That's not Instagram. So don't use it like Facebook. Instagram is about pictures. Instagram is about imaging and pictures. So you have to change your mindset when you flip over to Instagram and come up with some great pictorial content. Because if you're lazy on Instagram and you don't have a lot of great pictures, why would people want to follow you? So you're only going to hurt yourself. So don't go over there to Instagram until you're ready to really do a good job with it. Okay, do you see how that works? You want to have good engagement on these platforms. So start with Facebook. Facebook is about, hey, how are you? Da, 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 da. Instagram is pictures, pictorial images. Okay? Use it the way it's meant to be used. It's about when you properly engage on the platform, you're going to be able to transition these contacts that you have on Facebook and Instagram into customers. Use it the right way. And these are super great platforms. I want to mention something about hashtags. Somebody asked me about hashtags on Instagram. Some people use them, some people don't. I'm not a big hashtag user, and I'm not sure it does a whole lot, but use your judgment on that. So YouTube. YouTube is massive. YouTube is the long-term game. So it's a different media altogether. In YouTube, you want to look towards, you want to get 100 views a month. You want to have some really good content on there. And so you need to be, to get your followers on YouTube, because you can still pull in good leads there, but you got to show up consistently. You got to create your own YouTube show. You have to create a community in video form, because that's what YouTube is about. Hi, Sandesh. Is this helping you guys so far? Give me some hearts, some fist pumps, some lovin's. Give me some waves. Let me know you're here with me. So we talked about Facebook being more a community. We talked about Instagram. It's a pictorial community. We talked about things. We talked about YouTube is giving good video content. So you want to, let me give you some math to help you think about YouTube a bit. If you get 100 views a month on YouTube, that's going to be 1,200 views a year. So you want to at least be thinking about doing one YouTube video a month. And that's probably the minimum you need to be doing over there. If you do a minimal a month, you could get like 60,000 views. So the venue on YouTube is awesome. But again, it's the you show on YouTube. And if you don't put in good content, people aren't going to follow you. So the other thing is YouTube, you can really help build rapport as well. So, and just in summary, there are 3 types of platforms. You're going to have your Facebook, which is really your number 1, your 2, your Instagram, and your YouTube. Now, I can tell you lots about Facebook and attraction marketing because that's where my roots and my claws are digging in deep time, and I'm going to shred that that Facebook venue apart until I can get nothing else out of it. And then I'm going to roll into Instagram, and then I'm going to roll into YouTube. And so as I roll into some of these other things, I'm going to give you more tips on how to use them, because when I go there, that means that I've really conquered Facebook, and then I'm going to eat and digest each one up and spit it out to you so I can give you as much info as I can possibly on that. So we have the Facebook community for social interaction, the Instagram community, which is for pictures, and the YouTube, which is the you show, the video show. As we talked about these today, I hope you saw the difference of each venue and how to use them correctly. But if you take away nothing else, what I really want you to think about is that it's better to do one thing really good than to do 3 things really badly.
Turn right onto
Think about it. Do one thing really good instead of doing 3 things really badly. Conquer Facebook and then move on to these other venues, one step at a time. I want to tell you that attraction marketing is where it is at. If you want to grow your online business, if you want to grow your land business, your stationary business store, yes, you can grow it on Facebook with attraction marketing. Yes, 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 you can. And I'm telling you, there are some awesome tools out there that have more power in them than you ever thought you could possibly get your hands on. Hey, Tonya and Kate, that can help you grow your businesses. So stick with me, follow with me, ask me your questions. I'll tell you everything I know, and we can conquer this one prospect at a time. Okay, so I hope you found that helpful. If you've got a question, please let me know. Feel free to share this with people. And I'm going to tell you one last thing. For those of you following for my boot camp, I do have boot camp starting tomorrow. So if you haven't gotten in and you want to get into it, and you want to find out about it, then put the word boot camp below and I will get back to you. So if you need help finding out about attraction marketing, I think I said put number 1 in the comments below, or just put attraction marketing and I will know and get back to you. Okay? So that's all I got for you today. And really, don't worry, I'm safe. I'm driving. See? I'm looking right at the road. I can tell you I got a yellow car in front of me, and I got 2 white cars and a black car. I can't tell you what kind of brands they are. So I'm really safe. I know exactly what I'm doing. But I love you all, and I look forward to talking to you guys tomorrow, and we'll just keep getting our engines running, okay? So this is Tammy Lynn Hancock, heading on out, and I'm the little engine that could, and you can be the little engine that could too, if you don't give up. Don't give up. Don't give up. Bye. God bless.